So first you're going to go to emblem.finance and click on create curated. Then you're going to choose a project on the drop-down box, whether it's OXBT or ORDI. Click empty vault and then choose create vault. This is going to display a pre-populated but empty vault. And so you're going to go down and choose approve creating and burning vaults. This is a one-time transaction for new users. This allows Emblem the ability to mint your vault and then burn it when you want to claim the keys and import your BRC-20s back to a self-custodial wallet. We're going to scroll down here and click on the Taproot wallet address. This is where we're going to be sending either 2,000 OXBT or 200 ORDI. Go over to Unisat, click on inscribe transfer, and type in the very specific amount. This is very, very important. 2,000 OXBT or 200 ORDI. Your amount will not be accepted if it is anything other than those that we have just asked. Click on inscribe transfer and paste in the receiver address, which is the same wallet address that you copied from inside of the vault. Click sign and send. And then we're going to go back over to our vault. And here is very important. You might have to wait a little bit depending on how congested Bitcoin is. So it could take upwards of 30 to 60 minutes depending on the gas that you chose. Then you're going to go over and click mint vault and mint your vault. And once you see the OpenSea button, this is when you know your vault has been minted. And now you can go trade it on OpenSea or Blur for more efficient trading.